Okay, so now we gotta look for Peekapoo. So keep clicking on the arrow until you find Peekapoo. Because there's a lot of stuff on here.
Peekaboo.
Yeah, click on Peekapoo, click on the little.
Peekaboo chair.
That's it, and then click on the bill button, and that's it. So it's going to. The first thing it's gonna do is that it's going to heat up the nozzle. Remember I told you guys that the nozzle over here gets to like 200 degrees. So I'm gonna put my finger away from it. So it's gonna heat it up to 200 degrees. So if you notice, right here it says 214 degrees. That's the nozzle. And then the bed here, this is the bed. This needs to get hot too. It's like 49 degrees, but it's not as hot as the nozzle. So it's heating up. When it gets to the right temperature, it's gonna start printing. So remember it says 24 minutes? So here we go at 24 minutes, and it's gonna start printing. And remember we talked about slicing, so it's gonna print the very bottom layer first, and then the next layer, and the next layer, and the next layer. But it's really, really slow.
How many minutes did we estimate?
24 minutes.
24.